Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to tell you how to use split screen on iPhone. So first you need to download an app from App Store which is SplitNet. I have already installed it. So it has two versions. First is free version and the second is pro version. You can do lot of things in free version as well. This demo is done using the free version. It has some preloaded sites as well like Twitter, Instagram, eBay, Amazon. It has the option where you can split any social sites and e-commerce site. So while using this app, you can easily split the screen and use two sites at the same time. So in first step, I am going to use Facebook, and in second tab, I am going to use YouTube. You can use any sites at the same time by using this app. I hope this will be helpful for you. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.